Welcome everyone to the next lecture of Osha online training. Today our topic is nail gun safety. We will discuss what is nail gun or a nailer and what are some of the hazards and different kind of safeties involved with nail gun. So today lecture outlines are the following. We will discuss what is a nail gun, types of nail gun and hazards and injuries and possible circumstances in which a nail gun can be hazardous. Lastly, we will discuss nail gun safety. So it is a nail gun. You can see it in the picture. I cannot show you more clear visuals as it might become a copyright strike, but we can see some pictures of a nail gun or a nailer. You can see that this is a nail gun tool or machine. This is also a nail gun machine. You may have seen this in the workplace. Now, let us discuss what's the use of a nail gun. So it is a device or tool used to drive or put out nails into the wood or any other material or substances. In simple concept, it is a kind of tool which is used in order to drive out or put out nails. Nails in order to put it in the wood or any other substances or material. In initial days in the workplace, hammers were used in order to strike the nails into the wood or any other material. Then those hammers has been replaced by the nail gun in the workplace. It is operated with three main energy sources. The first one is compressed air, the next one is flammable gases, and the last one is electromagnetism. Although the nail gun machine has reduces the time of the work which has been done and it has automated the process and it has become easy to underwent a specific process as it would become too much difficult if we do it with hammer, but it has also resulted in some workplace injuries, and in most of the cases those injuries are related to hand and fingers, but in some cases it may lead to fatalities or death also. If the nail gun hit some other parts of the body, then in that case it may become more dangerous. Now the next question is what are some of the types of nail gun. So the first one is compressed air nail gun. This is usually operated and run with a compressed air and it is normally used in factories or industries. So this is a kind of nail gun which is operated with an energy source of compressed air and it is normally used in factories or industries. I cannot show you the picture of this kind of nail gun. You can Google it and find it out as we cannot take Google pictures. The next one is butane gas nail gun. This is also a kind of nail gun and this kind of nail gun is operated using butane gas and it is normally used for site works. The third one is electromagnetism nail gun. It is a lightweight nail gun than apart from other two. It is not that much heavy and it is operated using an electric motor. So that's why I'm saying that it is an electromagnetism nail gun because it is being operated by electric motors, but in some cases it might also be operated with certain kind of batteries and it is used in different scenarios and cases of different kind of works. Now the next question is what are some of the hazards and injuries of nail guns and what are some of the circumstances in which a person or the operator can get injured. So the first case is the position of the person using it and the nail gun's angle. The operator using the nail gun and the angle at which he has placed the nail gun is really important. For example, it is when the person places himself in the line of nail gun shooting and might hit his body center part. For example, an operator is basically working on a wood and he has placed a nail gun on the wood and he's trying and aiming to drive nails in the wood. So what if the person or the operator has placed the wood in the abdominal region and for example he has placed the nail gun on the wood, so in that case he may hit his lower body part if he has placed the nail gun and the wood position to himself in such a way that he may hit his abdominal or lower part region. The second case is that an operator unintentionally shooting himself. There might be the cases when he may shoot unintentionally himself and can get injured. How? While maintaining and inspecting the nail gun, there are cases and there are operators who maintain and inspect the nail gun. So a person or the operator may forget to disconnect it from its main energy source. A person may be maintaining and inspecting the nail gun and he may forget to disconnect the nail gun from the main energy source. Then in that case, he may unintentionally pull the trigger of the nail gun and he may shoot himself, either his legs, hands, and other body parts. So this is also a hazardous case and a worker may get injured. The third case is holding the nail gun with a finger. While using the nail gun machine or the nailer, An operator may hold his finger on the trigger of the nailer and accidentally hitting someone else's head or legs or other body parts of himself. This is because he may be using the nail gun machine and he may be too much used to it that he would always place his finger on the trigger of the nailer, and he may accidentally hit someone else's head working with him, other workers' heads or legs or other body parts, and he may also hit himself, his other body parts accidentally. The next case is the hand of the operator is placed too close to the material on which nail gun is used. For example, a worker is trying and putting or driving the nails from the nail gun on a wood. Then in that case, for example, if he has placed his fingers and hand on the wood near to the area where he was trying to and putting the nails, so in that case, instead of putting it in the wood, he may hit his fingers and hand. So in that case, a worker may shoot his own hand and can be injured. This is really a simple concept. For example, an operator is driving nails from the nail gun machine to a wood, and if in that case he has placed his hand near the aiming area of the wood, then in that case a nails can be driven into his hand instead of the wood. So guys, this was about nail gun. We have discussed its types, what is its purpose, and some of the hazardous situations which may occur due to it. In our next video, we will discuss what are some of the safety procedures in order to avoid accidents and injuries from nail gun. I hope that it will help you a lot. Give me your feedback and response in the comment section. Thanks, take care, and bye.